Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best yoga mats that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're into yoga, Pilates, or general fitness, finding the right mat is essential for your comfort and performance. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Gayam Print Yoga Mat. Priced at just $14.43, this mat is the most budget-friendly option on our list, and it's perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a lightweight, affordable yoga mat. The standout feature here is the stylish printed design, which adds a touch of personality to your workouts. It's made from PVC material, which is non-toxic and 6P free, ensuring that it's a healthier choice for both you and the planet. The sticky, non-slip texture provides decent traction, but it's best suited for slower-paced practices, like hatha yoga or gentle stretching routines. However, at only 4 millimeters thick, it's not as cushioned as some of the other options on this list, which might be a downside if you're looking for extra support for your knees and joints. The dimensions are slightly smaller than the standard mats at 68 inches long, so taller individuals may find it less accommodating. Additionally, users have noted a harmless odor upon unboxing, which requires airing out for a few days. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Gayam Print Yoga Mat is a great value for casual use or those just starting their yoga journey. Its lightweight build makes it easy to carry, and it even comes with a free downloadable yoga class to get you started. If affordability and portability are your primary concerns, this mat should definitely be on your radar. At number 4, we have the Amazon Basics half-inch extra thick exercise yoga mat. Priced at $21.98, this mat is a solid mid-range option for those who value comfort and durability. The mat is crafted from 100% NBR foam, which provides excellent cushion support and shock absorption, making it ideal for yoga, Pilates, and general fitness workouts. Its half-inch thickness ensures that even high-impact exercises feel easier on your joints. The textured surface enhances grip, reducing the risk of sliding during poses or stretches. One of the key benefits of this mat is its durability. Thanks to the foam material, it springs back into shape even after extended use. The included elastic carrying strap makes it easy to roll up and transport, adding convenience for those who attend yoga classes or enjoy practicing outdoors. However, at 1 kilogram in weight, it's slightly heavier than some lighter options, which may be a consideration for portability. While the black color is sleek and neutral, it doesn't offer the visual flair of other designs, so it might not be as appealing if aesthetics are important to you. Overall, the Amazon Basics mat delivers impressive performance for its price, offering comfort and reliability for regular fitness enthusiasts. Coming in at number 3 is the Gayam Essentials Premium Yoga Mat. Priced at $19.98, this mat strikes a fantastic balance between affordability and quality. It's made from durable PVC material that's free of harmful chemicals like DEHP, DBP, and DINP, making it a healthier choice for both you and the environment. What sets this mat apart is its classic design and textured non-slip surface, which provides excellent traction across various types of yoga practices, including highly dynamic or heated sessions like hot yoga. At 1/4 inch thick, the Gayam Essentials mat offers sufficient cushioning for your joints, making it great for moderate impact exercises, stretching, or poses that require stability. It's lightweight and comes with a handy carrier sling, so transporting it to and from the studio is effortless. However, users have noted it might need a couple of days to air out upon unboxing due to a harmless odor. Additionally, while it performs well for general yoga, it may not offer the same plush comfort as thicker options for prolonged floor exercises. If you're looking for a reliable, eco-conscious mat that doesn't break the bank, this one is an excellent pick. At number 2, we have the Gayam Essentials Thick Yoga Mat, priced at $21.98. This mat is a versatile option for users who prioritize comfort and durability. With a thickness of 2/5 inches, roughly 10 millimeters, it provides plush cushioning that's perfect for floor exercises, Pilates, and yoga poses that involve prolonged pressure on joints, like your knees and hips. The high-density NBR foam is shock-absorbing and durable, making it a great choice for home workouts or studio sessions. The textured Von Slip surface ensures stability, even during sweaty practices or dynamic movements like planks. One unique feature of this mat is its eco-conscious build, which minimizes odors and is resistant to tears, making it ideal for regular use. It's also easy to clean. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth, and comes with an adjustable carrying strap for portability. However, while it offers excellent cushioning, some users may find it slightly bulkier than thinner mats, particularly when rolled up for storage. Additionally, while the purple design is vibrant, it may not suit everyone's aesthetic preferences. Overall, this mat is perfect for anyone looking for comfort, versatility, and durability in their yoga practice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Retrospect Solana Yoga Mat. This premium mat, priced at $39.99, is the ultimate choice for those who prioritize comfort and durability above all else. With an impressive 1-inch thickness, this mat provides unparalleled cushioning for your joints, making it ideal for users with sensitive knees or hips. Whether you're practicing yoga, Pilates, or stretching, the extra-thick design alleviates stress on pressure points, allowing you to focus on your workout without discomfort. The mat's non-slip grip ensures that it stays securely in place on the floor, reducing the risk of injury during more dynamic exercises. It's made from durable materials that are free of harsh chemicals like phthalates, heavy metals, and latex, making it a safe and eco-friendly option. The included nylon carrying strap adds convenience for transportation, but its bulkier size might make it less portable compared to thinner mats. Additionally, while the mat is easy to clean with soap and water, it may release a harmless odor initially, requiring it to be aired out for a day or two. Overall, the Retrospect Solana Yoga Mat is an excellent investment for serious practitioners or anyone looking for maximum comfort during their fitness journey. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.